Here's the CAD model drawn up in Fusion 360. We'll grab an adequately sized block of aluminum alloy to cut from. Then we can start planning our toolpaths. This toolpath has to be as simple as possible, as we only have 10 kilobytes of memory in the control to work with. Now it looks like it's only taking one pass, but you'll see in a second why that's not the case. Now I'll touch off the part to get my work offsets. Ignore the pencil and the spindle, that's me being stupid. So as I mentioned earlier, we're working with limited memory, so in order to save space, the program only takes one pass at full depth, and we just feed up the part up on the knee until we hit our target depth. Next we'll use our small bandsaw to cut the milled part from the rest of the stock. And I'll clean up the tight corners that our end mill couldn't get into with a saw and some hand files. And I want to take a moment to just appreciate this cool surface that the program left on the outside of the part. I believe this is due to Fusion's smoothing function, which simplifies the G-code and causes this. So I figured the easiest and fastest way to give this part a more professional and clean looking surface was by sticking it in the bead blast cabinet and giving it a few minutes in there. And there's our finished part, ready for anodizing.